What was the most outrageous, in-your-face muscle car of the golden era? The 1970 Dodge Challenger RT, ladies and gentlemen. When it debuted in 1970, the Challenger RT was like nothing the world had ever seen. It had a bold, audacious design, long hood, short deck, and a mouthy front end. The styling screamed power and attitude. Under that massive hood lurked Mopar's biggest street-legal engines, including the King Daddy 426 cubic-inch Hemi V8, pumping out a stunning 425 horsepower. Can you imagine that in 1970? The Challenger RT could be ordered in eye-grabbing colors that would make any driver the center of attention. Plum-crazy purple, sublime green, banana yellow. It was available in colors that had to be seen to be believed. So when people ask, what's the ultimate expression of unabashed American muscle, I don't hesitate. It's the outrageous, untamable 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. This car is an automotive work of art, if there ever was one. What a machine! What a time capsule! What an American legend! The 1970 Challenger RT stands in a class all its own even today, 5 decades later. Dodge certainly challenged everyone with that iconic car.